Imagine stepping into a world where every corner of your home breathes life. But here's the twist. What if these plants weren't just for aesthetics? What if they were carefully chosen to benefit you and your loved ones? Join us on a journey to uncover the secrets of these 10 perfectly placed plants. Are you ready to be amazed? Snake plant, Sansevieria. Meet the snake plant, the silent guardian of your home. Thriving in low light, it not only adds a touch of elegance, but also improves indoor air quality. But here's the kicker, it's strategically placed in your bedroom, your sanctuary, ensuring you breathe easy all night long. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Enter the spider plant. With its ability to produce pups, it's not just about aesthetics. Placed in your bathroom, it's the perfect companion, purifying the air and creating a fresh, rejuvenating atmosphere every time you step in. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamiofolia. Now, let's talk about the ZZ plant, your partner in crime against darkness. Resilient and drought-resistant, it thrives in low light, making it the ideal choice for your office. Placed strategically on your desk, it infuses productivity and positivity into your workspace. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. Enter the versatile pothos, the chameleon of the plant world. Adaptable to various light conditions, it's not just about beauty, it's about functionality. Placed strategically in your living room, it purifies the air, ensuring you and your family breathe only the freshest of air. Rubber plant, Figus elastica. Prepare to make a bold statement with the rubber plant. With its glossy leaves and resilience to low light, it's not just about aesthetics, it's about impact. Placed in your child's room, it fosters creativity and imagination, creating a nurturing environment for growth. Fiddle leaf fig, Ficus lyrata. Enter the majestic fiddle leaf fig, the drama queen of indoor plants. With its large violin-shaped leaves, it's not just about making a statement, it's about creating an ambient. Placed strategically in your living room, it adds a touch of luxury and sophistication to your space, elevating every moment. Peace, lily, Spathilum. Now, let's embrace the elegance of the peace lily, your serene companion. With its elegant white blooms and air-purifying properties, it's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a sanctuary. Placed strategically in your bedroom, it fosters tranquility and relaxation, ensuring you wake up refreshed and rejuvenated every morning. Monstera Deliciosa. Get ready to make a statement with the Monstera Deliciosa, the epitome of trend and style. With its unique split leaves, it's not just about following trends, it's about setting them. Placed strategically in your dining room, it becomes the centerpiece of conversation, inspiring creativity and connection with every meal. Aloe Vera. Meet the Aloe Vera, your healing oasis in the desert of life. With its succulent leaves and soothing properties, it's not just about beauty, it's about wellness. Placed strategically in your kitchen, it becomes your go-to remedy for minor burns and cuts, ensuring you stay healthy and vibrant every day. Chinese Evergreen, a Glanema. Finally, let's embrace the versatile beauty of the Chinese Evergreen, your adaptable ally in the world of plants. With its varied leaf patterns and resilience to low light, it's not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality. Placed strategically in your cozy reading nook, it becomes your companion in moments of relaxation and reflection, creating a cozy atmosphere that feels like home. Thank you for tuning in to Simple Cut YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful or entertaining. We love hearing from our viewers, so feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts, suggestions, or any questions you may have. Stay connected with us on social media for behind-the-scenes content and updates. Until next time, take care and keep exploring.